Okay, so this video is gonna be unboxing my Hot Topic so this video unboxing Hot Topic. I think all the shirts were delivered. All I pretty much got shirts. This was from Black Friday sale, and I bought it Wednesday. Started Wednesday night. I bought it at midnight or 1 in the morning or something like that. So it would have been Thursday. It would have been Thanksgiving. So these were all $10. Any of them that was $25 or less was $10. And then anything else that was higher than $25 was I think $12.50 or $13. So I got me. So this one is size large, and this one's Deadpool. Nice logo in front. Got nothing in the back, and I think all of them were short sleeve too as well. I haven't seen part 1 or 2 of Deadpool, unfortunately. I did see I saw when he appeared in the Wolverine movie. So that one's the first one. Deadpool, size large. So this one is Captain America, Spider-Man, and Iron Man. And it's just the logo in front, picture in front. And I always like to buy from Hot Topic because they have the coolest stuff that you can buy for Marvel or DC or Star Wars or any of those. This one is Black Panther. Simple shirt, and it's just like that. Nothing in front, short sleeve. The picture in front. And always with Hot Topic, if you buy it there, it's official. It's not fake. This one's size large. Another Deadpool. It's called Back in Black. Looks like it fits from the comic book. It says Venom Pool Hungry. Marvel 001. So this is nice picture. Short sleeve. Oh, I should have showed you the hat that I got on eBay for the Flash, and it was unbranded. I don't know where it's at though. So this one is pretty cool. It's the Flash. If you like the Flash TV series, or I don't know when they're gonna have the movie. They're gonna have Aquaman in December. I think like in 2 weeks or something like that. It's the Flash logo. The bolt. There it is. Oh. So these, it was shipped separate. Okay. Okay, yeah. So it's shipped separate. This is the last. I did not receive all of the. Okay. So I did not receive all of the shirts, and this is the last one. So this one's size large. And it's Rocket with Baby Groot. This one's hecka cool. But anyway, so there you have it. I will see when I get the other shirts, and then I'll post as well. But anyway, that's the last shirt I got in this package. And yeah.